Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE Brabus is the pinnacle of SUV luxury and supercar performance. Brabus, an official high-performance modification firm, turns the Mercedes-Benz GLE-Class including the GLE 63S into a more exclusive road monster. Brabus typically creates variants for this GLE model, such as the Brabus 800 or Brabus 900 Rocket Edition. Exterior. The 2026 GLE Brabus's exterior is designed for maximum aerodynamics and a threatening appearance. Broader fender flares create a muscular body profile. The front air intake, front spoiler glossy or matte, rear diffuser, and rear spoiler are all made of carbon fiber. Typically equipped with 23 or 24-inch Brabus Monoblock Z Platinum Edition wheels, which are exceptionally sturdy and lightweight. High-performance stainless steel exhaust with dynamically regulated flaps booming sport mode or hushed coming home mode. The Mercedes logo has been replaced by the recognizable lighted Brabus V logo. Airmatic system improvements allow the car to be lowered by up to 25 mm for increased stability at high speeds. Interior. The Brabus Fine Leather style of Brabus interiors is well known for enabling the owner to customize every element. The interior is made entirely of very soft Nappa leather and Alcantara. Carbon detailing is used on the dashboard, door panels, and center console. Aluminum pedals and door lock pins with the Brabus logo add to the unique experience. MBUX technology retains Mercedes-Benz's recognizable dual 12.3-inch screens, but the Brabus emblem is regularly included into the user interface. Seat options include massage, warmth, and cooling in addition to 64-color ambient illumination integrated with Brabus elements. Brabus aluminum pedals, aluminum door lock pins, and scuff plates with the Brabus symbol that change color due to ambient illumination. Brabus completely overhauled the engine in addition to altering its appearance, using the M4.0 V8 Biturbo engine base, which is often updated to a 4.5 liters capacity on the Rocket variant, producing an incredible 900 horsepower and 1,050 Nm of electronically controlled torque. This weight allows an SUV to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in an incredible 3.6 seconds. With an electronically controlled top speed of 330 km/h, it is one of the fastest SUVs in the world. Exhaust system using a high-performance Brabus stainless steel exhaust system with an active valve that lets you switch between sport very loud and coming home. The technology will use the air cushions in the seats to pull the driver or passenger toward the center of the cabin if a side accident is detected.